message. Um, sis, I just want to express how important you are. I know it's hard to reach you because you're not feeling well, but I want you to know that I feel very sad about what happened to you. Every time I think of you, I feel like crying. Um, every time I mention you to my husband, it makes me cry because you are a dear friend and sister, and you really touch my life. You're very strong and you inspire me a lot. And ever since we've known you, you're always there, no matter what. Even if you're not feeling well, you always try your best to be there for us. And this is the longest time I've not really talked to you, and I'm scared that something will happen to you. So please be strong. We're here for you, and always think that we need you, we love you, your family, and sana um, um, habaan pa ni Lord ang iyong lakas at ang iyong strength.